What is up, guys? We are back and it's finally time for some fun stuff. We are working on the brown truck, getting ready to lay out the first step of our graphics. Got the outline masked up, getting ready to spray some silver, some flake, and this will be it for tonight, step one. So we're gonna get to it. Sealer on, so that's step one done. Next step, we got some silver base, actually the same silver that I sprayed the silver baller with, so a little nostalgia, also a little recycling. So let's get it done. Next up, we are laying some tape down. Got our silver flake sprayed, obviously, and this stuff was gnarly. We had to cut it down with some, start at 400 and work our way back up because it was rough, but she's smooth now. And we started laying out our 1/4 inch outline, then we're bringing it in with a 1/16. Kind of messing around with some graphic ideas, not sure, but it's taking kind of a long time, pretty time consuming. Also being busy here at the shop puts a damper on the fun stuff, but we're gonna get it done and keep spraying. right, we got the stripe all done, cleared, unmasked, pulled it outside. First, I'm gonna show you what we ended up using on this stripe. Went with the house color intercoat, root beer, candy concentrate over some paint Huffer metal flake 50/50, some big, some small flake. So we got this thing out here, and it is looking pretty gangster. Give you guys a little sneak peek. I don't know if it's gonna pick up that flake, but it is looking sick. I cannot wait to get the brown on here. I got a test panel here of the color that the rest of the truck is gonna go. So that is a little sneak peek right there of what we're gonna have going. So should be cool. But that is gonna do it for this video. Next video we will be painting this whole thing, and I'm really excited for that, so stay tuned.